Hello everyone. So I'm going to clean my washing machine with the vinegar and baking soda. I do this once a month. So I'm gonna clean it chemical free, and I'm using the hot water cycle. And let's see. So I'm just gonna pour the baking soda in the drum. I'm using the apple cider vinegar. I don't have the white vinegar right now, so I'm just using a cup of apple cider vinegar, and we'll see. I'm just adding it in the fabric softener container. Okay, and then we'll start. I'm using the hot water. I'm just gonna do the speed wash. So it's 36. I don't know if it's 36 minutes or 36 counts. I don't usually observe it. Yeah, start.